In this video, we would be learning to make COVID prevention app using MIT App Inventor. Hey guys, in this tutorial, you will be learning how to make an app using MIT App Inventor COVID prevention app as you have seen in the intro. So for that, you have to search in the Google or any engine MIT App Inventor, click on that. Then second step is to create tabs. After that, it will load and it will automatically open that. So you have to start the new project and name it COVID prevention underscore app. So as you can see, it is created. Click one. Okay. So as you can see, the new app would be created in just a minute. Till then, wait. As you can see, that is created. And the first step is to that you can see the screen one, and you have to drag and drop button one. After that, you have to drag and drop label and one and last component at this sound, which is an invisible component. This, as you can see, the invisible component, non-visible components. Okay. Then at text for button one, you have to add an image. Let me choose the image. Okay. After choosing the image, you have to click OK. As you can see, it is uploaded to my screen one, and you have to remove all the text from it to look more good. After that, you have to center align all the things. And at label one, you have to write to listen COVID precautions. One second. Precautions. Click image. Okay. Oh, 1 second. Something happened. Okay. Click image. Okay, that's it. Then as you can see, it is looking simple. Then we can add a background image, background color. So the background color should be attractive, and using yellow you can choose any one of them. Then you have to click at label and change its text color to red and its background color to green to look more different from each other. Then you have to change the font to 18. Then at layout, as you can see, it is looking hazy. Then we would add layout in between it. Then the layout height should be 12, 14. I think 14 would be good. Yeah. Then the designer is fully completed. No, something is left out. I know you would be thinking about that. Then at screen one, we would write COVID prevention. COVID preventions. Okay. Then the theme could be realistic now. The black title text looks very different and cool. And at designer, the most important part, you have to click button one and drag and drop. But when button one dot click do, and then click at sound and drag and drop and attach the call sound one dot vibrate dot milliseconds. I will tell you why I am adding the milliseconds bar. Then at max add milliseconds for 1000 and click again for button 1 and add call sound 1 dot play. This is the one code, and the other code which you can use as a supplementary is this code, only this code. But this code is far much better than this, because sometimes happens that it is late by 1 to 2 seconds, and you repeatedly clicks the button 2 to 3 times. This happens, but this can lead to the overlapping of the sound. But when you will click the button, the vibration will occur, which would indicate that the sound will come. So this is much better. Okay, so now we can add a sound in it. We have to add sound in it. Let me add sound. 1 second, guys. So this is the whole app. Now I will download the APK file, and then I will show you the outcome of this app. So now I will download the APK. From APK save to my computer, and it is downloading 50%. Yeah, 50%, and it is rendering, and it will download in just a second now. Yeah, so it is 100% now, and it will download soon. It is downloading. Yeah, it is now downloaded. Now we'll open the app, and let me increase the volume. Yeah, so when I will click the button just now, the vibration will occur for 1000 milliseconds, that is going on, and it will run in now.
Clean your hands often.
Okay.
Cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces.
So this was the video, guys. Hope you learned something new today.